Fazil, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Hanya. Good morning everyone. Today we are celebrating National Unity Day to honor the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the man who united India after independence. So, do you know why Sardar Patel is called the Inman of India? Was it because he was very brave? Yes, he was very strong and he united all the princely states into one India. Children always remember our country is strong only when we stay united, help each other, respect each other and work together for a motherland. We promise to stay united just like you wanted, Vallabhbhai Patel. Yes, unity make our nation strong and proud. Unity in diversity, together we stand.